Preview.
So, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club.
With Parikshit.
And my dad.
And are you enjoying the drawings?
Yeah. Are you?
Are you?
If you are, please like and subscribe my channel.
Today we are going to draw a very easy one.
A peanut.
Do you eat peanuts? You have tried? No? Okay, so today we are going to draw a cartoon, funny peanut.
Funny cartoon peanut.
Funny cartoon peanut. So let's get started with the drawing. As always, we need a black sketch pen, some white papers and a few colors. Let's get started. Ooh. How does the peanut look like? Okay, so the peanut is like this in shape. Okay. Like this. That's a peanut.
No.
Oh, you did it wrong. Try this side. And now we'll make it a little funny. How do we do that? We make it sand. Peanuts never have hands. And the legs. Have you ever seen a peanut with a leg? And a peanut hat. Okay.
Mine is like dancing. Oh yeah.
And the eyes. Peanuts have eyes?
No.
Did you know this? Okay. And a smiling face.
Do ever peanuts have smiling faces?
And it's showing its teeth also. Yeah, I'm done. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly be coloring. Can you help me with the black sketch pen? And one light brown color. Yeah. While Parikshit does his drawing, I'll finish coloring the funny cartoon peanut. I'm done with this awesome drawing. A very easy one, very easy to follow, very quick to draw, and I know that you must have also completed your drawings like Parikshit. And parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings, as I always say, with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub and #KidsFunLearnClub. This will help you, or this will make your kids win some amazing goodies from Kids Fun Learn Club. So see you. Okay, let's wait for Parikshit to finish his drawing. Are you done, Parikshit?
Look what's happening to his mouth.
Jiggly.
No, he's about to vomit.
About to vomit. Okay, so we are done? Okay, we are done. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a great and a wonderful weekday.